Listen, can I speak something over you for the next couple of minutes? Because I really believe there is someone who is watching who's out there running on empty. It may be a caregiver, and no one around you has noticed. You've gotten so good at carrying it so quietly that the people, even who are the closest to you, can't tell that something is wrong. But you, deep inside, you know that you're running on empty. But I want you to hear this and I want you to hear it well. You are not carrying this alone. You are not carrying this alone. You were never meant to carry this burden alone. God sees you and He loves you, and He is there to carry the burden for you, to carry you every step of the way. He tells us in His word to fear not, for I am with you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. He didn't say that he might uphold you. He said, I will uphold you. He's not thinking about it, but he is promising us that in the midst of our problems, our troubles, he will be there with us. So we have nothing to fear. So please hear me. Your exhaustion is not a failure. You're not failing, but it's a sign that you've been giving and giving and giving from a place that is never meant to be your source. We cannot be our sources. Our source is God. Our source is our Father God. So you were meant to be a vessel. You were never meant to be the actual well. And there is a strength that's available to you right now. He tells us in His word also that when we are weak, then He is made strong in us. So we get our strength from Jesus. We get our strength from Him. Without Him, we are nothing and we can do nothing. So we have to fully surrender to Him. That's what we have to do. Give it to Him. Give it all to Him. Whatever the situation is, give it to Him. Lord, I can't do this anymore. Yes, pray that. Lord, I can't do this anymore. I need you to carry it. And I'm a witness to tell you that He will do it. He will carry you, He will carry that situation. He will comfort you. He will keep you. He will lead and direct you in the ways that you should go. So please know that praying that prayer is not a weakness. That is getting you on your way to strength in Jesus Christ. So just lay aside that weight, lay it down, make the decision, make the choice to give it to Him. You don't have to hold it all together. You don't have to look like you got all of the balls up in the air and you can handle it. Give it to God in prayer, and it will be much better. You will be much better, and we will be right in alignment with God's will for us. You are seen, you are upheld, you are loved. And most of all, you are not alone because He promised never to leave us, never to leave us alone. God bless you.